Today, we're talking about something so many people struggle with but rarely understand: gastritis. If you've ever felt burning pain in your stomach, nausea, or bloating, you're not alone. Gastritis affects millions, and the good news is you can manage it. In this video, we'll break down the causes, symptoms, and most importantly, what to eat and what to avoid. So, let's get into it. Gastritis is basically inflammation of your stomach lining. This lining produces mucus that protects your stomach from acid. When it's irritated or inflamed, it can't do its job properly. What causes this? Stress, H. pylori infections, overusing an SAIDs like ibuprofen, alcohol, and even certain foods. Untreated gastritis can lead to ulcers or chronic stomach issues, so it's super important to take action early. Let's start with the foods you need to avoid. First, spicy foods. As delicious as they are, they irritate your stomach lining and can make symptoms worse. Next, caffeine, coffee, energy drinks, and even some teas are culprits. Caffeine increases stomach acid, which is the last thing you need. Then there's alcohol, no surprise here. It's highly acidic and damages your stomach lining. And don't forget acidic foods like citrus fruits, tomatoes, or vinegar-based dressings. These can really aggravate your symptoms. Fried and fatty foods are another major culprit. These are tough for your stomach to digest and can lead to more inflammation. Think fast food, greasy snacks, and heavy cream sauces. Say goodbye to those for now. Carbonated drinks like soda are also a no-go. They cause bloating and put extra pressure on your stomach. And finally, processed foods high in preservatives and artificial additives can trigger inflammation. Stick with whole, natural foods instead. So, what can you eat? Let's talk about stomach-friendly foods that can help soothe and heal your stomach lining. First, bananas. They're easy to digest and coat your stomach, providing natural protection. Oatmeal is another great option. It's gentle, filling, and won't irritate your stomach. Boiled or steamed veggies like carrots, zucchini, and potatoes are fantastic. They're soft, low in acid, and packed with nutrients your body needs to heal. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and fish are perfect for a gastritis-friendly diet. Just make sure they're grilled, baked, or boiled, no frying. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt plain and low-fat or kefir can also help restore balance to your gut bacteria. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and great for calming nausea added to tea or soups. And don't forget chamomile tea. It's soothing and helps reduce stomach inflammation. Beyond food, let's talk lifestyle. Stress is a huge trigger for gastritis. When you're stressed, your body produces more stomach acid. Try activities like yoga, meditation, or even deep breathing exercises to manage stress. Eating habits are also key. Avoid large meals. Instead, opt for smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. Chew your food slowly and avoid eating too close to bedtime. It can worsen acid reflux and gastritis. Hydration is another important factor. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, but avoid drinking large amounts with meals. It can dilute your stomach acid and make digestion harder. Also, prioritize sleep. Your body heals during rest, and getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night can significantly improve your symptoms. Finally, limit your use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen. These are notorious for irritating your stomach lining. To wrap it up, Gastritis is manageable with the right diet, lifestyle changes, and a bit of patience. Cut out foods that irritate your stomach, embrace the ones that heal, and focus on stress management and healthy habits. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need this info. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and take care.